Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. On our menu today is a healthy and delicious chicken curry with spinach. Let's marinate the chicken first. I've taken 1.5 kilograms of chicken. To this we'll add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Give that a good mix and then add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Coat the chicken really well with the mustard oil. The mustard oil gives the chicken a very nice and intense taste. Set that aside. Now let's look at the ingredients for the gravy. We need 6 cups of chopped spinach leaves, 1 cup of onion sliced thin, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1 cup of fresh tomato puree, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 1 piece of cinnamon stick approximately 2 inches long, 1 large bay leaf, Kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves 1.5 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and salt to taste. Alright, let's get started. Set a pan on medium heat and add roughly 3 tablespoons of oil. Add cumin seeds, cinnamon stick and the bay leaf. Once the cumin seeds start to splutter, add the chopped onions in. Sprinkle some salt so the onions cook faster. Stir fry till the onions turn golden brown in color. This should take approximately 4 minutes. Then add the chopped garlic and keep stirring till the onions turn nice and dark. This should take another 3 minutes or so. Then add the marinated chicken in. Stir fry the chicken till it turns nice and brown. Take your time to do this, take around 10 minutes and make sure that the chicken is fried well. Then add the tomato puree, add the coriander powder and mix well. Keep stirring and then add Kashmiri red chilli powder. Add a cup of water, give it a quick stir and place the lid on. Let the chicken completely cook through. This should take 8 to 10 minutes. Check if the chicken is nice and tender. When you press the chicken, it should break easily. If it does, add in the spinach leaves. Place the lid on for like 3 minutes so that the spinach leaves wilt. Once they are wilted, it's much easier to mix them into the gravy. Mix well and let the gravy simmer and get thicker. Let the gravy simmer for around 8 minutes. Check for salt. Add more salt if you need to. And actually this is not really hot. I'm going to add some more chili powder. And then add garam masala. Add in the kasuri methi leaves and do so by crushing it nicely in between your palms. That enhances the taste a lot more. Give it a good stir. You can squeeze some lime juice if you wish. I like it a little sour, but that's totally optional. All done. This curry tastes really good with rice or roti and it's easy and healthy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If yes, it would be awesome if you could share it with your friends. You can find me on all these different social media sites and you can find also the written recipe on my blog. All the links are in the description. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this recipe. For more exciting recipes like this, do consider subscribing to my channel. I post recipes every week. So see you next time and thanks for watching. Bye.